Yes, ma'am. Last time we done for home, we completed. Just we recollected all the memories passed by previous memory, like how it will work and cut, copy, paste, format painter, new slide, layout, other all the stuff. Today we like to start with the insert. Second menu is insert menu. Let me you go to the insert menu, click on insert. Under insert, you can see so many this is simple options we have it. Let me we are today we are going to recollecting previous class what are things we discuss about it. Just quickly we are go through some few features how it will work, these kind of options. Like first of all, table. A table already you are so familiar, ma'am. When was discussed about MS Word, also we discussed how to design the tables. And basically the table nothing but rows and columns. You know the table, ma'am, rows and column. We are making some we are making some records. Yeah, employee records or customer records, something we are making one records. And first of all, 1 minute, ma'am, I change the slides. I change the slide, that one. And see, ma'am, here now the big box, the heading you can keep it whatever heading you want it. If I want to make as a employee details, see, ma'am, here I'll make as a employee data something heading. I done it. Now within click where you want to insert the table, first click on the location, click on the location, then go to insert, click table, click the table, just scroll down, ma'am, click the table. From here, see, ma'am, here how many rows you want it. Suppose I want 4 column and 4 rows. See, ma'am, here how big you want, you can increase it how big you want it. At time being I want 4 rows and 4 column. From here I just click it from the keyboard. Click means here you can keep like now first I want employee ID, next I want employee name, and third I want salary, and fourth I want addresses, like that. Now how many you wanted, you can fill the data whatever data you want it. And you can keep some values like that. How many you want, you can do that. This is after done this table. If you feel something I want change a color table mean, you can see, ma'am, so many color templates we have it. So many, click the scroll, we have so many color oriented part. This is what kind of color templates you want, you can see. As soon as insert the table, it will appear automatically this all the template, ma'am. Without table, this kind of format you won't get, you won't get this kind of format. As as soon as you insert the table only, you'll get all the color templates. You got, ma'am? See, ma'am, here now right now I didn't select the table, just I click outside. See, ma'am, nothing, they don't have any menu, no color, nothing. But as soon as click on the table, see, ma'am, as soon as click on the table only, you got the design view. From here we got so many varieties, you'll get it. This means as soon as yes,
you clicked on the table only, then only this came, no, sir?
yes. But now I didn't click on the table, nothing, just click outside. You see, ma'am, nothing here, no design, nothing will be coming. And now I click on the table here, that only it will come all the design, it will appear automatically. And now
Where are you clicking? Where are you clicking, sir?
no, ma'am, see, ma'am, just clicking, see, I didn't select a table, just outside I clicking, that means table I didn't select it. Okay, but now without selecting table, see, ma'am, the designs nothing will be appear. Okay, but now if you click on, just clicking anywhere within the table, anywhere, just click only one click. Click means now the table highlighted, the table highlighted means now the design will be appear. Now click on the design, will come many varieties, it will come.
Okay.
That's why what I'm trying to saying like that, these kind of features only applicable for table. If you want a table highlighted, you will get these kind of features will be available. You can select,
Options.
yeah, these kind of options available. You can getting from these any one of the options. Or if your table is not inserted, these kind of option we won't get it,
Okay.
because this option only applicable for tables.
Table, you select the rows and the
Yes,
down rows, everything,
yes,
and you can type everything.
yes,
Then, then you go to then click on the table wherever you have
yes,
prepared. On the table, you click. Then
yes.
the design and layout
Yes,
option will appear.
yeah, will appear. After that, what kind of the colors you want, you can click it. If you click on the color, it will apply automatically your tables.
Okay, sir.
You got,
Understood.
ma'am? Yes. Now I
Yes,
like to,
sir.
yeah, I like to open another slides, new slide. Next picture, ma'am. Next picture mean how to insert the picture. Any pictures. How to insert the pictures. See, ma'am, here now heading. I'll kept something animal. Like given animals, and where you want to insert the picture, click on the cursor. Here I want to insert the picture, that's why I'm click on the cursor over here. After that, go to next option, picture, ma'am. Click on the picture. You got, ma'am?
Yes, yes, yes.
Click on the, just I'm clicking from the keyboard, only one click you will get last time, remember, ma'am, last time we download these kind of pictures, animals, something like that,
And
all this, yeah,
send
those
it back to
pictures,
me.
yeah, those pictures still available in my system. Or if you don't have means, same thing, you go to the browser, from there, google.com, and type what kind of pictures you want, type, you will get it. But now time being, we are ready-made pictures, we have it. I'm taking from the ready-made pictures. Click on the pictures, just select which pictures you want it. I want this picture, select it, and click insert. Click insert, the pictures come over here. But after, once the pictures coming, you can enlarge and small, big one, how you want this, our depend on our convenient only. As soon as insert the pictures, see, ma'am, here the format appear automatically. Look at here, ma'am, here so many varieties. What kind of varieties you want, what kind of style you want it, you can do it. But this is, as soon as after insert the picture only, it will get this kind of format appear automatically, like look like table. As soon as we insert the table, you got color template like that. But without insert table, you won't get these kind of features. After insert the pictures, you don't think about, ma'am, where should open this kind of style and how to open, nothing like that. Just your duty, just insert the picture. Once insert the picture,
Understood.
this, yeah, this kind of format appear automatically.
Picture.
You can get it.
അവിടെ ഉണ്ട് മോനെ സോഫ നമ്മുടെ ഡയറി ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ട്.
You got, ma'am?
Okay, sir. Yes.
Yes. Next, 1 minute, ma'am. I'm going to another slide. Click on another slide. Again, third, clip arts. Third option, clip arts. Clip arts mean, cartoon pictures, ma'am. You remember, ma'am, you saying, sir, I want, can I get from Google cartoon pictures? You did it. Go to the Google and search from the Google cartoon pictures. We take more pictures also. Or if you feel, I don't want getting from the Google, I want getting from the system. Internal system means you taking from here also. And now here, like cartoon pictures, something I kept, and where you want to insert cartoon picture, click on the cursor.
Okay.
Click on the cursor, again clip arts. See, ma'am, here I'm just clicking the clip arts. As I click on the clip arts, see, ma'am, here, 1 minute. See, ma'am, here, right side we got on window, no, ma'am. See my cursor here, we got some search for flower. You can see,
I
ma'am.
remember.
Here what kind of pictures, cartoon pictures you want, you can type it. Suppose if you want animals, type animals. Flower, type the flower. And cartoon, cartoon pictures, graphics, grabhics, just I'm making the graphics. Let me see whether pictures available or not. Just click go. Yes, the graphics pictures also available actually. Suppose I want like this pictures, or I want like this picture. Now just click on the picture, insert. Now the pictures will be inserted. Just wait, ma'am, it is loading it. Yes. PowerPoint would not create picture for the specific file. Maybe the graphics. Let me see, 1 minute, ma'am. Click insert. Uh, why is not happening this pictures? 1 minute. It's coming. Now this graphics features you want, you can keep it like this. What kind of features you wanted, you can do like this. Or if you don't want graphics, if you want a boy, the small boy pictures, if you want, click on the boy. It will show all the boy pictures. It will show like this. What kind of boys? I want this guys, this boy kids I wanted. Cannot complete the operations. Okay, because sometimes my systems they don't have sufficient space. That's why sometimes it will show that. Otherwise, the pictures it will appear automatically. There is no doubt about it. What kind of pictures you want, you can get it. Got, ma'am?
Okay, sir. Yeah.
And that is a cartoon process. 1 minute, ma'am. I just open new slide. That's a clip arts. Clip arts means like within PPT itself, within PowerPoint presentation itself, so many varieties pictures they have it. But if you feel I don't like this kind of picture, something different I want, means there's no other options. We have to go to the Google. Same thing what we did last time. Go to the Google and search it. Search and get download. After download, you can keep it desktop or C drive or D drive. After that, come back here and you can insert it. That's a normal process. But if you feel no sir, I work with this kind of yes ma'am.
Direct from here, it is not possible. That is why you're telling
Yes,
like that, no?
yes. You got, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
That is a clip arts. Next is a screenshot, ma'am. Next is a screenshots. Screenshot means like that, some kind of selfie kind of thing. Selfie kind of thing means from the system I want take some screen system itself. I want take some selfie, one photograph. Like for example, look at, ma'am. Now I want take 1 minute, ma'am. This is share. See, ma'am, you can see the my screen, ma'am.
Uh,
This I won't take the screenshot. Only this both portions: home, meeting, recordings, preference, insights, support. Now, if I want take this screen, I want keep it my PPT. That's why I open this page. Again, I go back to the PPT. See, ma'am, here. Come back to the PPT. Click on the screen. Where you want it. Click on the cursor first. Click on the cursor. And make the heading also. Screenshot like that. Where you want it. Click on the cursor. Screenshot. Screen clipping, ma'am. Screen clipping. Under screenshot, screen clipping. Click on the screen clipping. Coming the same screen, ma'am. Which one before you open coming the screen? You can crop. Crop mean you can cutting. See, ma'am, it will come the cross symbol. You can cut it. Which portion you want, you can cut the portions. See, ma'am, here. See, ma'am, the portions come over here. I'll repeat once again, ma'am. I repeat once again. I first of all open the new slide. I want new slide, and here you can make something heading. I'm making as a screenshot, and where you want keep the screenshot, click on the cursor. And now which screen you want take the screenshot, first we have to open that screen. I want take this, ma'am. I want take this one, or I want take your photograph, your screen, the video will be there. I want take only your portion. I want to cut and paste the PPT like this screen I want to open. That don't forget which screen you want take the screenshot. First open the screenshot, then we go back to the PPT.
okay.
You got, me? First open the new slide and keep the heading, and where you want to keep that screenshot, click the cursor. After that, come back to the screen. Which screen you want, you are going to take the screenshot. First open the screen. After that, again go back to the PPT.
How to go to the screen, whichever we want, how can we go?
Minimized. But now
Okay,
the others,
fine.
this is a PPT. Minimize. If you minimize, it will go to the backside. What the screen will be available. This screen it will come to me. Mean I want take the screenshot. This is a minimize, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Minimize,
Then,
minimize. This is screen. Which one are you seeing first? No, I want take your photograph, your pictures. I want take. After that, again you know how to open. Again, go to click on the down the PPT. Again, click on the PPT. It will come the PPT. Okay, from here now go to the insert, screenshot, screen clipping. See, ma'am, it will come to the screen actually. From here, I cut only your portions. See, ma'am.
okay, okay.
That means like just like open the PPT, minimized. It will behind of the PPT what screen they have it. From that screen you want take some kind of screenshot something. After that again come back to the PPT and go to the insert and insert screen clipping. Insert screen clipping. It will go to the which one you minimize the screen. No, it will go back to the same screen. From there cut the portions. Which portion you wanted you can cut it. As soon as cut the portion that which portion you cut it, no, that portion come to automatically your PPT.
Okay.
That's one. But once you do done your turn like the you doing your system, you can I give some time for you. You can do your system that you got more clarity.
Okay.
You got, ma'am?
Yeah, you need to help me to do
Yes,
this. I
yes.
want to learn how to
Yes. I'll
start.
help you, ma'am. Now 1 minute. Okay. Let me. We find out one more options today. 5 option: table, picture, clip art. One more. After done, I can give. Your turn will be started. That's why we start from your system. Maybe you can recollect some more in clarity. And last one like photo album. Photo album means you can keep it gallery, ma'am, image gallery kind of things. You want multiple photograph, you want keep it in PPT like this. Now click on the photo album. See, ma'am, new photo album. Just click it.
Uh,
See, ma'am, file disk.
okay.
That means from the system where you get the picture from the system. That's why insert picture from file disk. File disk.
Okay.
Click on the file disk. See, ma'am, here 3 pictures available. I click on 3 pictures only. 3 pictures. Insert. Look at 3 pictures available. 1, 2, 3. 3 pictures available. Now create. Only just create. See, ma'am, here.
Create.
Yeah, create. See, ma'am, photo album by system domain. Like my system by default system domain. Or if you done your system, you come your name actually. See, ma'am, here.
Okay.
This is first. The 3 pictures, it will come over here. There's a photo album means to create multiple for not even 3 photograph. How many you want? Even 100, 200, 300 photograph if you want, you can create.
Okay.
Okay.
Understood.
Today only this 5 option, ma'am. Table, picture, clip art, screenshot, photo album. Now your turn. Now just share your screen. Share your screen, and I will help you how to do that.
Okay, sir.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.